Hi friends, I'm Tarek. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the post font style or letter font style on your Tumblr while posting a post on your Tumblr mobile application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. How to change the post font in your Tumblr application. This is going to show in this video. For that, first step 4, click on this pencil symbol to post. So now I just slide something like food or something or juice. So now I just need to select this. So click on the A symbol. So here you have a two fonts. Like you can see how it's changed. Just click on the thing and just change this to different font. And also if you have to change it to like quotes or it should be a bigger font, we can just change this. This is how it's changed the font. So I think this video, have you not liked this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful